It needs to be 75. I would say that first one would be just a regular triangle. It looks like it matches, and you kept the lines kept going, they ended up coming together. So I would just say it's a regular triangle. Okay, we're gonna do the second triangle now. AB measures AC measures out. AB measures 4 centimeters. Actually, let's just start with A. And it needs to be 60 degrees. Okay, but this can only be, oh, it was almost there. 4 centimeters. This one would not be a triangle because it would just not, it's going like a ray. I think it's a ray, but like a ray, it's just gonna keep going that way. And it's not gonna come together and form B. So this one would not work as a triangle. Wait, actually, maybe. No, it would not, because even if I were to draw a line going all the way down, it still would not work and connect because C is just too big. So what I would do is honestly make either B bigger or C smaller to make it correct. So I would just do 4 centimeters each side. So I would take off 2 inches from C. What? Ooh, good job. I'm proud of you. Your haircut, you look really, really nice. I love it. So if I were to make this a different triangle, I would actually take away just 2 centimeters from C. So I would do it as, ooh, that was inches. 4, so AC, measure this to a 60-degree angle again. So 60 degrees between at point A. But then I would only make this one 4 centimeters as well. So then it would match up Then connect B and C together. So I would change that C to a smaller centimeter. So instead of doing 6, make it C. And then these would be right. I guess I didn't classify as D, E, F, but I can go in and fix that right now. So if I would make it a correct triangle, D, E, F. There we go. That would be the correct triangle. Okay, time for the next one. That was number 2. We're gonna do number 3. Given X, XY would be 5 centimeters. So that one's 5 centimeters. I'm just going to do my measure of X right now. So X, Y, which is 5 centimeters. The X needs to be at a 45 angle. So like about right there is 45. Got X to Y, so this would be X to Z then. X to Z has to be 8 centimeters. So we'll draw this and draw it to 8 centimeters. Oh, cool. So this creates a right triangle. So that's pretty cool. And so X, Y, and Z, this up here is a 45 angle, and then to me that looks pretty straight. That looks like a right angle to me. So this triangle does work. Triangle number 3. So we're gonna flip it over and let's do triangle number 4 now. Triangle number 4. Okay, so this one, we gotta do PQ, and that's 6 centimeters. I'm gonna draw this one a little bit more down here though, so I have hopefully enough room. There's 6 centimeters right there, and that's PQ. Okay, the first one, PQ. P needs to be 30 degrees. P needs to be 30 degrees. Okay, I got 30 degrees for P. Oh, not CO. $30 for P, and then Q needs to be 75. So let's see if I can make it a 75 angle. I felt that this triangle works too because they were able to connect for another point. Well, my Q is also at a 75 degrees. So that triangle does work. Now we're going to do the last one, number 5. MN. Oh, I don't know if I... Okay. We're going to make this one on the bottom. I'm going to have to use this twice because it only goes to 15 for me. I don't know if I have enough room for this one. $15, $16, $17, $18, $19, $20, $21, $22, $23, $24, $25. Another 10. Oh, come on. So that's a big triangle. And so this is MO. O. And then M needs to be 90 degrees exact. Degrees exact. Okay, where's my 90 degrees angle? And then MN, so I'm guessing this is gonna be N, needs to just be 7 centimeters. Realistically, this is not going to work because MO, I already know, is a longer line. So even though that this could be 7 centimeters, it's gonna come down and it's gonna crash into that line. So O is way too long and would not make a triangle at all. So what I'm gonna do instead, sorry, school bells. I'll finish this up. So I need MN would be 7 centimeters. Be 7 centimeters. Even if I were to connect this triangle with the other side of this triangle, O is still way too long for no good reason. So that just would not work at all. So we have to go in and redo this triangle. What I'm gonna do is actually just make that small. So I'm gonna do M and N the same way. And MO I'm gonna take away. So MN, I'm gonna do all the same. So M needs to be a 90-degree angle. So we're just gonna put a dot for M. And then we're gonna make it 90 degrees. There we go, 90 degrees. I just know that N needs to be at least up to 7. So we'll move this one up to 7. There we go, it's up to 7. And now I'm going to draw another line for it to come all the way down to connect to O. So my M is 90 degrees. And that's how I would fix that number 5. I would just make this one a lot shorter so it's not as long. So yeah, those are my triangles and how I constructed them.